Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy, Eggroll Gaming, and welcome to another episode of Vigilante's Second Offense. Okay, this is actually going to be the last bonus video. Remember how I said I wanted to showcase the 3 characters we never got a chance to see in campaign mode? Well, this is it. We're going to go ahead and take a look at... I'll just do Florida because it's one of my favorite locations, but let's just take a look at how these particular vehicles. So this is the first one.
The proof is out there!
The proof is out there? Is that what he said? Actually, she's not that bad. I just don't like facing off against him. He's super annoying. You know what? Screw it. Let's make this easy. Where is she? What was I looking at? Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's make it easy. I don't like facing... You know what? Yeah. I think this group is fine. This group should be fine. Excuse me. Give me 1 second, guys. I need to take a drink of water. Okay, here we go. This is gonna be slightly different than what you're used to. There's there's no there's no mission objectives. I didn't realize how slow this thing was. There we go. Yep, he's got a little what's it called on the top. That's just special. I wish this was able to be played in campaign, but I think it's just because they ran out of time. Oh, great. There's nothing there. And there's no collectibles to worry about. Really? Whoa! Oh no, oh no you don't. These are mine. Grab this bad boy, see what it is. Oh, nice. Get him. Come on, guys, you're slacking. Ow. Ouch. Oh wow, is it just him? I think it's literally just him. Oh no, did I lose him?
Join us! Join us!
And I missed. Okay, that's the first showcase. Now let's do the second showcase. So we just did Vigilantes. So, yep. And then now let's go do Coyotes.
What? You want a piece of me?
Yeah, these guys are fine. Those guys are fine. The Pokemon don't skip a beat. This is one of the characters I really wish was available in uh oh nice, I got his special. This card is relatively weak though. Did I get him? Nope. Let's just say her. What on the earth are you guys doing? Way to steal my thing. Steal this so you don't get a chance to take it. Yeah, I think this is AMC Pacer. Which makes sense why it's a piece of garbage. It is pretty quick though. I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely pretty quick. Wee! Woohoo! Boing! And faceplant.
Hey, what's up, buddy? Come face the music.
Yeah, it's a shame. I kind of wish they had a story mode of that. Alright, final one. And this one's gonna be super easy to get to. This one's gonna be super easy to get to. Just like that.
I'm one with the earth.
Ah, screw it, whatever. Let's make that Houston. Yeah, that's fine. I don't like facing vertical. I don't. Half track is a massive pain. The motorcycle is kind of annoying too. So, first things first, let's go to that island. And of course, you got the frickin' shield. So he only gets three per box, or 3 per load. This is the guy with that super annoying voice. Ah, I should have known. Get away from me. I don't want to actually be part of that. Oh, you epically failed. Wow, there's 3 of them in here. Ow. Oh, jeez Louise. Didn't see that coming. That's right, get her. Nice.
You have secrets of this place.
Okay, guys, that's gonna do it. Um, this is going to be most likely the second bonus video. There is one more that I want to do, so I haven't done it yet, but the one I'm about to do is going to be the one before this. So until then, this has been your boy Eggroll Gaming, and as always, stay crunchy, don't forget the soy sauce, and see you in the next one. Peace.